everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making lemon poppy seed muffins. You'll need poppy seeds, coconut flour, normal flour, salt and soda, and protein powder. You'll need eggs, milk, lemon juice, lemon zest, coconut oil, and some honey. First, add all your dry ingredients into a bowl. Then, you're going to whisk everything up nicely. In another bowl, add your eggs, your milk, your lemon juice, honey, coconut oil, and lemon zest, and whisk it up. Next, you're going to combine your mixtures. Next, pour it out into muffin cups and bake for 18 minutes. While they're baking, we're going to make the glaze with some powdered sugar and lemon juice. Whisk it all up and it should look like this. Next, after they're baked, wait for them to cool, then add the glaze on top and wait for it to harden. And this is the final result, everyone. Thanks for watching.